no signboards, and that may confuse the citizens who are traveling to Pune. Right now we are standing at Pune International Airport, as you can see around me. Like if a person is landing in the city, it should be simple, like follow the signboards and move ahead. But what we can see is no signboards at all, like that could be related to cab or bus, like bus departure from where the bus would be go. What stands out immediately is the absence of clear directional signboards from the arrival areas to the exit point. There's a little guidance for the passengers moving through the airport that is must needed, like the basic direction towards the exit, parking zones, like the taxis or the public transport, either missing or unclear, creating that confusion can be seen over here. Like stepping outside the airport and the issue continues, and many persons who are traveling in Pune across the city may find this as a major problem, because if you are traveling, many people wanted to go to the Kharadi or Shivaji Nagar area or Vanavri side area. They might be confused to which taxi to take, which bus they can find out to reach at the particular destination, where we can see that there are many services that could be related to cab, autos and bus. But the main issue is there's no proper signboards. Like if a person is coming outside of the airport and trying to understand where a bus could drop him to Shivaji Nagar side, that creates a confusion if there's no proper signboards. And even the passengers don't know from where they can book the taxi, that could be Ola, Uber or any taxi they can book over, because if they are not having a proper guidelines, many taxi owners or many taxi people may charge over, and that could even create a major thing over here. This raises a concern, like how are the commuters expected to navigate without a basic information. Like many passengers maybe go to the side of Karve Nagar, Shivaji Nagar. If there's a proper help of a signboard, like people might be able to understand like which direction to follow it. However, this lack of coordination between the authorities it should be clearly visible on the ground, because Pune Airport is one of the busiest airport. Like many passengers travel in a day, in the entire day from Pune to various destinations. But this issue need to be solved out quickly, because authorities must look after this and find out what is the major issue regarding that, because people traveling over here, like the basic directions is a must, like adding of immediate of signboards, like from where the people can go and pick up the bus and everything. Now we have to see what action and what quick development will the authorities take regarding this. And we have to look forward it, because as we have seen, like you can understand, like most of the cab are coming from over the side. Like the passengers need to walk over there and try to understand from where the cab is coming. I'm Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror, Pune Airport.